Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com.
Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today we are making whole wheat pancake. Pancakes are very famous on my channel because they are the one which take very less time and most of the kids love them. This is not just great for kids for their snack box or lunch box or breakfast. This is also good for babies because they can easily chew them and have it by themselves, because if you cut out a little piece or if you even give it, it makes a great finger food for them. I have made lot of pancake recipes. As I said, I have included savory oats pancake, 3 ingredients oats pancake, spinach oats pancake, chocolate pancake. I would give the link to all the recipes below. After the video is over, please go there and check it out. Before that, let's dive right in and see how to make this whole wheat pancake.
Let's start by taking a whole ripe banana. Bananas are great while making pancakes, especially the sweeter version of pancakes. Add them into a bowl and with the help of a fork, let's mash it. Please ensure you mash it well without leaving much lumps. Mix it well, and now it's time to add other ingredients. At first we'll add jaggery powder. We'll have to mix it well until it gets dissolved, otherwise you will get a little textures of those jaggery powder, which is not great for a pancake. Little chunks. Now I'm adding in Rava or Sooji. Both this and coconut, fresh coconut are optional but great when added because they give in an additional flavor and taste to this pancake, and kids would love it for their snack box or breakfast or something in the evening to munch on. It's easy to make, so you will also be relieved because you need very less ingredients and it takes minimal time. I'm adding in milk now to make a batter. You can even add water if you are a vegan. I'm adding in more milk to adjust the thickness. The batter's consistency should be slightly thicker than that of an idli. We would not be spreading it like a dosa, hence a thick batter is great. Also, pancakes are usually soft in texture, and hence to keep it soft, not a crispy one, it's good to keep the batter thick. Now I'm taking a pan, heating it up on medium flame, then adding in ghee. Ghee is prominently used in the Indian kitchen, especially for kids, hence I choose to use that as well. You can even use butter here or just plain oil, any cooking oil which you use at your house. I'm now adding a scoop of batter. As I said, we wouldn't be spreading the batter. Much. With the help of a lid, let's cook it. Closing and cooking dosa or pancakes are the best idea. Flip it over and cook it on the both sides. By mistake it got overcooked and I tried it twice. Both the time it happened, so I'm really sorry for how it looks, but I'm sure you can do it better, and this tastes yummier, and hence I'm also sure that your kids would love this. So whole wheat pancake is ready now.
Hope you liked it. This is really an easy peasy recipe and lots of pancake recipes on our website. The link is below in the description. Have a look. Ingredients and the measurements of this recipe is also given in the description box. Please go and check that. If you have any recommendation for any other recipe for me to try out, comment and let me know on that. If you are watching my videos for the first time, do ensure that you subscribe, because I keep making a lot of baby food recipes, kids food recipes, and we also discuss a lot of parenting tips and a lot of things which can be helpful for you as a parent. So thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you soon in yet another one. Take care. Bye bye.